Skeleton educational videos are blowing up right now, with channels pulling in tons of views. So let's show you how to make and create skeleton shorts for free using just 2 platforms. The best part is they're very fast and easy to create, and the secret is hiding in plain sight. Here's how it's done. The first step is to go to ChatGPT. On the left side, click Apps, then in the upper right, click GPTs. Next, do a search for skeleton shorts. You'll have a few results you can experiment with, but for today, let's go with skeleton shorts. When prompted, go ahead and click Start Chat. This skeleton GPT will take your idea or concept and create a series of prompts or scenes that you can use in your video. For example, let's say you want to create a video about how caffeine actually affects your body. Let's go ahead and generate that. Okay, once the video prompts are created, then ask ChatGPT to generate a 15 to 30 second script you'll use for the video. The next step is to create the images and videos, and for that, we can do everything using Grok. Head over to Grok and sign in. Okay, the next step is to copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Grok. Now, if you have a sample skeleton style you want to use, you can upload a screenshot as a reference. Let's go ahead and generate the image. Okay, here's the cool part. In Grok, you can hover over the image and click the Make Video button. Give Grok a few moments to work its magic. If you like the video, you can download it or ask Grok to make some modifications, then regenerate it. From here, you want to repeat the process by going back into ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, and paste it directly into the video generating section of Grok because Grok will already include a reference image for you. After you've made all your videos, the next step is to create the voiceover. And for that, you could either use 11 Labs or Minimax. Just paste in your voiceover script from ChatGPT, choose the voice you want to use, and download it. The final step is to open your video editor and import all the video clips from Grok along with the voiceover track. Add your videos to the timeline, remove the audio from Grok that was included if you want. From here, it's just a matter of arranging everything, adjusting the sizes if needed, fine-tuning the speed, and exporting the video. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more educational content.